Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DogWifHat INU token. Ticker symbol is WIFI, W-I-F, and then an I. So it's WIF, just like the other one, except it's got an I because it's an INU, so it is WIFI, but basically spelled like Wi-Fi. And this token is on the Solana blockchain. They are in the midst of their pre-sale. There's only a few hours left of this pre-sale to go. Brand new token, full audit, and obviously is a play off of the very famous WIFHat token, the original one. And there's been so many WIF tokens come out. I just uploaded a couple today. One was Elon Musk WIFHat. I uploaded one a couple days ago, Brett WIFHat. And there's just been too many to even remember. Bonk WIFHat, Cat WIFHat. There's Baby WIFHat I just uploaded. So many of them, but you can check them all out on my channel here. And we're going to go over the DogWifHat INU token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has a full audit. So they were audited by Analytics Audit, and you can check out the full audit report of that on Pink Sale. Now, there's only a few hours left to go of this pre-sale. It started today, March 8th at 4 o'clock UTC time, and it goes until March 9th, 4 o'clock UTC time, or until they reach a hard cap of 300 SOL. So their soft cap was 100 SOL, and they are almost there. Right now, they're at 94.76 SOL sold, and so I'm sure they'll get there. That's very soon. Minimum buy for the pre-sale is going to be 0.1 SOL. Max buy is 2. And 2 SOL, not 0.2, but 2 SOL max buy. They've had 171 different contributors invest in this pre-sale so far. It is a public pre-sale. So basically, if you wanted to get this token and you missed this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to RAYDIUM for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet, your MetaMask wallet, or your Phantom wallet with SOL, going into the dApps, finding RAYDIUM, and then trading your SOL for the DogWifHat INU token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, dogwifhatinu.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll try to find that on their page here. Now, it does say there is a total of 3 rounds for this pre-sale as well. But if you do miss this pre-sale, hit that subscribe button and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of these new pre-sales. Now, there is a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 6 decimal places on this token. So it says a meme coin to follow up with the DogWifHat trending. A platform supporting the token on the Solana network with low fees. So it looks like there is taxes. We'll just have to find out what they are. So it says first round with a low price. So this is the first round of potentially 3 pre-sale rounds. So you might have to wait a while until it gets listed on RAYDIUM. There's going to be 3 more rounds here. So I would follow this Twitter right here. They're going to announce exactly when these rounds are, when these pre-sales are. And their Twitter is at DogWifHat INU. Real easy to find that. So total of 3 rounds. Price will increase also 30% for each round. And it says audited, worldwide hype, no team tokens, no transaction limit. Well, there is a transaction. It says 2 SOL is the max buy. Locked, burned, contract renounced, aggressive marketing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, fast-tracked, major central exchanges and crypto websites and trending on Dex Screener, Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Moon Talk, CN Token, etc. Join us now. And they have a Reddit, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, webpage. So their Telegram can be found at DogWifHat INU as well, and they have 1,227 Telegram members. 15 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more about the token and things like that. You can follow the Telegram and then talk with other people about it if you want to talk about it. But you can also just follow like the Twitter and the Telegram and just see updates if you like, and not talk to anybody if you don't like talking to people. Now, it says, DogWifHat INU, supporting your onboarding to the Solana network. It says, create a token on Solana, made easy and cheap, 0.1 Sol. I don't know what that means. This seems like it's broken English on here. But it looks like you can, go to their webpage, and they have this Metaplex metadata standard NFT storage embedded thing on their page here where you can actually like create tokens and stuff. So it's interesting. So you can put it like, it says example DogWifHat INU. So you can like basically create your own Solana token here, and they give you the token name to punch in. You can punch it in, then the symbol, like the ticker symbol or token symbol, then the decimal places, how many decimal places, what is the supply, give a little description, web page URL, Twitter URL, Telegram, Discord URL, token image, connect wallet, and I wonder how much it costs to create a token, because that's interesting. I'll have to have a look at this later. I was thinking one day maybe create a token. It would be like the token for this channel, you know, maybe call it like the stock investor token or something, you know, whatever it is. Or crypto investor token, but you know, maybe have the thumbnail, or not the profile picture for this channel or something like that as the token symbol, the profile picture, and then you know, and then people know who the dev is. Obviously, it's not some weirdo, and I'll always just be around doing YouTube videos to people to ask questions. I'll always be able to make updates and things like that about the token and share it with people. It'd be real easy, but I just never got around to it. So one day maybe. People should let me know suggestions though in the comments down there. What type of token, what chain, you know, that type of stuff. Leave comments down there. What do you guys think I should do with a token in the future? But anyways, on their webpage they have a link to their audit. That's basically all. It's very much just a meme token where you can create your own token on their webpage. That's like their only utility on here. They're going to have 3 pre-sale rounds though, so maybe as the rounds go on, they're going to give us more information, more utilities as things like that come out in the future. But the best idea is to just follow their socials, stay tuned with the updates. Go check them out on Pink Sale right now. Just search Wi-Fi or DogWifHat space INU. And you'll be able to find this token. You can connect your Phantom wallet and get the token, or you can wait until round 2 to get the token the second time. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.